Hi, this is Don and welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna unbox and review Joyroom T13 TWS Bluetooth headset. So let's check it out.
Thank you.
So guys, by the way, don't forget to click or tap the subscribe button if you're using the laptop or even the computer, and tap for the mobile phones. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, like Facebook or Instagram, donsangalang official and don.sangalang. So guys, don't forget to tap also the bell button, and more videos to come. And special thanks to the Joyroom team for giving me this awesome Bluetooth headset. Actually, I shared already this one on my social media because of the design. I like the design. It looks good, and it looks like Apple Airpods, but I guess you can compare this one to the Apple Airpods. And don't forget also to check their website. So guys, see you next time, and ciao, bella, ciao, ciao, ciao. Thank you.